If you want to use R programming language in Power BI Desktop, you can do that by installing R programming language. And also, in case if you want IDE, you can always install R Studio. And once you do that and open up Power BI settings under Options Global, look for R scripting. Power BI usually will detect the home directory of R and also the external IDE like R Studio. If not, please make sure to point the right directory to those two things. Once you are done with that, click OK and restart Power BI. Once you restart, you can start using R script visuals in any kind of report pages. Say, for example, we go to Visual Gallery using drop down. You can look for R script visual. Click on R script visual so that it is available for you in the canvas, and you can add data values to R script visual as well. This is one way. You can always use R script as a data source, or you can use R script in Power Query Editor to do data transformations. I am going to click on the visual and then I need to enable script visuals. Once you do that, I can see here the R script visual here, and also automatically in the bottom of the canvas you can see a editor, R script editor window has also opened up. Like we always do to any visual, we can add values to this particular visual here, and let me drag two columns here to R script visual like shape and summary. Once I do that, and the values are stored in a dataset variable as highlighted here as a data frame, and below this commented out code I can start typing. Let me just paste the code. I can use the external IDE and type up the code or type it here, and once I run, the visual is ready. So you need to keep a couple of things in mind. You can start using any kind of slicers or any other visual and try to filter this R visual. But basically, you need to keep in mind that R visuals currently can only be created in Power BI Desktop and then published to service. And the interactivity is limited because this R visual is a static image and it does not support features like tooltips or cross filtering. So you need to keep that in mind. However, any kind of external visuals, you can filter this R visual by using selections on those slicers or tables. So that you need to keep in mind. And also you must author all R scripts in Power BI Desktop. And also after you create a report in desktop, you can publish the PBIX file to Power BI service. So it's pretty handy and useful in data analytics. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.